This workshop will teach you how to use receptive music therapy and other arts in working with people suffering from trauma. My name is Margareta Wärja. I am the Director of Expressive Arts Institute in Stockholm, Sweden. And I will present a method called KMR, Brief Music Journey, that is based in the tradition of guided imagery and music. And this approach has successfully been used in cancer rehabilitation and with women dealing with PTSD. So after this day, you will have with you creative and powerful tools that you can use in your own professional work. So, warm welcome. I hope that we will meet each other.